Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the stories and engineering marvels behind some of the most iconic automobiles in history. Today, we're exploring the legendary Mercedes-Benz W140 S-Class, a car that redefined luxury and innovation in the automotive world. Known as the Sonderklasse, which translates to special class, the W140 is a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to pushing boundaries in design, technology, and performance. It's no surprise that this car became a symbol of prestige and excellence during its production run from 1991 to 1998. The W140 S-Class was designed with one primary goal: to be the best car in the world. This ambition led to a 6-year development process, during which Mercedes spared no expense in crafting a vehicle that could outshine its competitors. The result was a car that offered unparalleled comfort, cutting-edge technology, and timeless styling. It was the first S-Class to feature double-pane windows, soft closed doors, and an electronically adjustable steering column, setting new benchmarks for luxury vehicles. One of the most remarkable aspects of the W140 was its size and presence. The car's imposing stance, combined with its meticulous attention to detail, made it a standout on the road. Its aerodynamic design was not only visually striking but also functional, contributing to a quiet and refined driving experience. The engineers behind the W140 ensured that every aspect of the car, from its suspension to its safety features, was designed to provide the ultimate ride quality. Under the hood, the W140 S-Class offered a range of powerful engines, including inline-6, V8, and V12 options. The flagship 600 SEL, powered by a 6.0-liter V12 engine, delivered a smooth yet commanding performance that appealed to the most discerning drivers. The car's advanced suspension system, which included self-leveling and adaptive damping, ensured that passengers enjoyed a comfortable and stable ride, regardless of road conditions. The interior of the W140 was a masterclass in luxury and craftsmanship. High-quality materials, ergonomic design, and innovative features created an environment that catered to both driver and passengers. It was also the first S-Class to introduce a navigation system, alongside options like heated and ventilated seats, individual climate controls, and a state-of-the-art sound system. These features cemented the W140's reputation as the pinnacle of automotive luxury during its era. Safety was another area where the W140 excelled. Mercedes-Benz equipped the car with numerous innovations, including a newly designed airbag system, traction control, and the introduction of electronic stability program (ESP) in later models. The car's robust construction and advanced safety systems provided peace of mind for those who valued security as much as luxury. The W140 S-Class remains a beloved classic among enthusiasts and collectors today. Its enduring appeal lies in its blend of engineering excellence, timeless design, and the sheer ambition behind its creation. Even decades after its debut, the W140 continues to embody the essence of what makes a Mercedes-Benz truly special. Thank you for joining us as we revisited this iconic masterpiece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the W140 S-Class in the comments below.